Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to share that my personal portfolio website is now fully indexed on Google. Let me show this live. You will type Mohammad Aatif Portfolio in Google. As you can see, my website appears in the search results. Now let's open the website and explore everything that I have updated. This is the home page. You can see my name, my role as a B.Tech CSE AI/ML student, and all the key areas I'm working on. The design is clean, smooth, and visually interactive. On the top right corner, you'll see the theme toggle button. Let me switch it. In light theme, the entire UI, headings, sections, buttons, and cards smoothly transition into a light theme. Switching back returns everything to dark theme. In the About section, I introduce my journey, skills, and areas of expertise. This section highlights the technical skills I've learned and worked with. Now let's explore the Projects section. Every project category has been organized with clear cards and action buttons, so visitors can directly access details or view the samples. Here is the Power BI Projects page. From this section, you can explore all my Power BI dashboards and reports, so you can easily check the complete visualizations and insights. Next, this is the Excel Projects page. Here you can explore all my Excel-based work, all accessible through simple view buttons. Now let's open the Word Projects page. Here you can explore my formatted reports, templates, cover pages, and official documents. Each item includes a button to view the document or open a sample file directly. And here is the PowerPoint Projects page. This section includes my presentations with clean designs and professional business slide layouts. Each project has a View Presentation button for quick access. In the Education section, I have added all my academic qualifications. Each item includes the institution name, year, and field of study. In the Experience section, I have mentioned the practical work I've done, including roles like MS Office Expert, Photo Editor, Data Entry Operator, and Dashboard Developer. In the Certification section, I've displayed all my verified certificates. Each certification contains a View Certificate button, so viewers can directly verify it. These certifications include Python, AI/ML fundamentals, web development skills, and more. In the Achievements section, I've listed my badges and recognitions. You'll notice that for almost every achievement, I have added buttons, so viewers can directly view or verify the badge. And also, I've added a Google Cloud Public Profile button where visitors can check all my badges in one place. These buttons make verification easy and transparent. Before we move to the contact buttons, here is my digital portfolio card. First, I will show it in dark mode. When I click the download button, the dark themed card is saved instantly, complete with my profile details and QR code. Now, let me switch to light mode. The card transforms into a bright and minimal design, and this version can also be downloaded using the same download card button. Finally, this is the contact buttons. You can reach me through email or any of my social links. All links are active, and many of them also appear on Google when you search my name and city, Mohammad Aatif Mirat. This completes the full walkthrough of my portfolio website. You can visit it by simply searching Mohammad Aatif Portfolio on Google. I will continue updating the site with more projects, badges, and certifications. Thank you for watching.